Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is the 19th day of January 2022. I'm here to talk about Novavax, and you guys can tell that there's still a huge catalyst that I've noticed on the chart for this particular stock, and I want to show you what is the potential for the continuation of movement down. Welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin. This is what I do. I do the price prediction without the confusion, and not only that, I'll show you the result of my price predictions. Yeah, I'll show it to you when I get them right, when I get them wrong. You're going to see what the price has done in relation to my original hypothesis to see whether I got it right or wrong. So join the team, hit that like button, share the video, also subscribe here to the channel to ensure that you are always in the know as to what the market is trying to do. Now, first, before I talk about where I'm seeing Novavax going next, look at what happened. I did a video for Novavax on the 28th of December, playing the weakness into the market. Right? I was playing the weakness. Yeah. I was looking for the price to go down. Now, you might have read some articles. You might have seen a couple of videos of people telling you to come in and buy this particular stock because of some emergency use authorization for a particular vaccine. Who knows? But I was the one telling you all that price was going to come down. And here it is. Today, price has gone down. So it should not come as no surprise if you guys saw this video on December the 28th. Now, if anything, you got 24% out the market. If you were to get out on the close of yesterday, you got 40. Yeah. All you had to do is wait a couple of days, December 28th to January the 19th, 2022, 40% right there. All right, done, over. Now, let me show you this big catalyst that had just happened into the market in Novavax. Now, understandably, if you guys are new in the market, I want you all to realize that price can only go three ways. It could go up, it could go down, and it could go sideways. Right now, I had this trend on the chart for Novavax, right? Yes, this trend in Novavax started all the way back in March of 2020. Wow, we needed to see this price in Novavax uphold to that trend. Right? We needed to see the price bounce is what I'm saying. We needed to see the market bounce off this trend to confirm that the market is still strong and that it is still trending higher. That did not happen. No, it didn't. Look what happened here. Right there. Beginning of this year. Yep. Price broke the trend. Fine. We got it. If that is the case, we should not be bullish into the market in Novavax right now, because the overall consensus is telling us that if the buyers really wanted to buy this stock in Novavax and keep in line with the overall trend that we started in March 2020, then it would have bounced the price right there. But they did it. Instead, we fell and we broke through that trend. So I'm not bullish into the market in Novavax right now. I can't be, because the market is already dictating to what the trend is. So if we're not bullish, if we're not looking for the price in Novavax to go up, what other two options do we have? Either we're going to consolidate, trade sideways, or we're going to continue to go down. Those are the only two options we now have on the table as of right now. Okay, so let's do this. Where do you think the market in Novavax is headed now then? If you're not looking for the price to go up, where are you looking for it to go? Where do you think the buyers are at? Because throughout this whole chart, within all of these prices are buyers and sellers, right? They're lurking. They're there. Can you see it on this chart for Novavax? Where do you think the buyers are at? Because understandably, we got answers. The market gives us answers. And I can see buyers here, right? It's around what, $86, $87? See that? Buyers are also here around 80. See that? How do I know? Well, look at this back here in 2014. The buyers were willing to prop up the price in Novavax then. They also did it again back in 2016. So as we come down, we need to find a base. We need to find a foundation. So it's around $85, $80. That's where we're at right now. Okay. So do we have a ways to go? Yeah, we do. Not much. Before we anticipate the buyers come into the market in Novavax, we don't have far to go. What do we have? Maybe another 18%. That's cool. That's not that bad, is it? Now let's see this on a different time frame. Okay. So we got 8 hours and 26 minutes left on this current 3-day price bar in Novavax, and it currently looks weak. I mean, I'm just gonna keep it real. This market here in Novavax is definitely weak, and we need to anticipate continuation of movement lower. What about on the 5-day? Still seeing weakness here on the 5-day time frame in Novavax as well. Definitely here on a 2-week basis. Yep, still seeing it there. 3 weeks, we got 2 days and 9 hours left, so we definitely need to see how this 3-weekly price bar looks, because it kind of tells us how far out we can expect this weakness to continue. Okay. Now, it looks weak there. And if in the next 2 days and 9 hours, check this out. If this price bar looks the way that it looks right now, $80 is not even going to hold in the market in Novavax. It's not. It's going to come back down towards a pretty good area. I can see is around 70 and definitely 60. 60 is the lowest that we can see the price in Novavax come. All right. Now that's in the long term. For me, long term means like monthly time frame, not 5, 10, 15, 20 years. But this looks as if, you know, $70 to $60 is going to be next in line right now. But like I said, we got what, 2 days and 9 hours left. So pushing this back over to the daily, we're going to continue to play some weakness here. And I'm looking at that weakness until price in Novavax breaks above 120. Okay. If price in Novavax all of a sudden catches wind, gets the buyers, they come in and prop the price right now, and it breaks above 120, then I need to come in and reevaluate my original prediction. Understand this. I'm going to bring it up just a tad higher, right around there, to around 130. Okay. Now, this is where I'm looking for the price to come. Okay, around $80. Now, the first price target is around 85. We definitely need to see the market in Novavax, see if it could bounce around $85. Okay, but that's still around 14% market move to the downside. So 85 is first, $80 is second. And you guys remember what my next area was? 70. Okay, that's around 29%. So now I'm going to push this out. Let's do around April time frame and see what the market is doing then. Okay. And this is how we're looking right now in Novavax. Still playing some weakness here into the market right now. Generally, like I said, at some point the buyers are going to step in, and I'm looking for them to see them appear around 85, $80, ultimately 70. The biggest area is at 60. Yeah, I'm telling you that right now. It's $60, but I'm not seeing that yet on the market, but we can definitely trend there as we go throughout 2022. All right, so this is it. This is my updated price target for Novavax. I have shown you reasons to why I feel the price in Novavax is going to continue to dip. You don't have to believe it. You can have your own mentality, your own thesis, your own strategy as to where you think the market is headed, but this is just what I'm seeing. And now it's your turn. I want to know, what do you all think about Novavax? Where do you think the price is going to go as we go throughout the month of March? Where are we going to go? Yeah, drop it in the comment. Give me your price target, give me your price prediction, and that's it. Make sure you maintain profitability, and as always, trade different.